In today's video, I'm going to teach you which platform is better suited for your business needs, PrestaShop or Shopify. Choosing the right e-commerce platform is crucial for the success of your online store, and today we'll look at the unique features and benefits of both PrestaShop and Shopify to help you make an informed decision. First, let's explore when Shopify might be the ideal fit for you. Shopify shines if you're aiming for a quick, simple launch with minimal technical setup. It's an all-in-one hosted platform that takes care of hosting, security, updates, and infrastructure. This means you can focus on what's important, selling and marketing, without the need to dive into the technical management of your store. Moreover, Shopify offers robust support and a wide ecosystem of apps and themes, making it perfect if you don't have a dedicated development team. However, keep in mind that these conveniences come at a predictable cost, encompassing a subscription plus potential app costs, which might be higher compared to self-hosted solutions in the long term. On the other hand, PrestaShop might be your go-to if you or your team have technical expertise and you desire full control over your store's code, architecture, modules, and customization. PrestaShop is an open source, self-hosted platform offering extensive flexibility. It is especially attractive if you need advanced features such as multi-store setups, multi-language support, and custom workflows right out of the box. But with great power comes great responsibility. You'll need to manage hosting, updates, security, and plugin maintenance, along with accepting that costs and time investments can fluctuate and potentially increase. So which should you choose? For most small to medium businesses, Shopify tends to be the better choice because it allows for a fast, hassle-free setup with minimal technical barriers, ideal if you're starting out or prefer a managed experience. However, if your business has complex needs such as operating in multiple languages or markets, and if you have or plan to have a technical team, PrestaShop may prove a more fitting long-term solution. It offers significant control and flexibility, but does require more upfront setup and ongoing maintenance. Ultimately, the decision boils down to your specific business needs and resources, whether you prefer convenience and a managed service or flexibility and control. Both platforms have something unique to offer. By weighing these factors, you'll be better positioned to choose the platform that aligns with your growth goals and technical capabilities.